Do you want to enhance your breast size naturally? In this video, we'll explore techniques and lifestyle changes that might help, along with tips for boosting your confidence and self-image. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more health and wellness tips. And if you have questions or suggestions, share them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Breasts are primarily made up of fatty tissue, glands, and connective tissue. While genetics play a significant role in their size, there are certain things you can do to influence their appearance. Key factors include diet, exercise, and hormonal balance. Remember, results vary, and it's essential to focus on what feels right for your body. Exercise won't directly enlarge your breasts, but can tone and strengthen the chest muscles underneath, giving the appearance of fuller breasts. Here are some exercises to try. Push-ups, great for strengthening the pectoral muscles. Chest presses, use dumbbells or resistance bands for added impact. Wall presses, a gentle option for beginners. Have you tried any of these exercises? Let me know how they've worked for you in the comments below. Certain foods are believed to support hormonal balance, which can influence breast size. These include soy products, rich in phytoestrogens. Flax seeds, contain lignans that mimic estrogen. Fruits and vegetables, high in antioxidants to support overall health. While no single food guarantees results, a balanced diet can enhance your body's natural potential. Breast massage is a traditional method thought to stimulate blood flow and hormonal activity in the area. To try this, use a natural oil like almond or olive oil. Massage in circular motions for 10 to 15 minutes daily. If you're comfortable, let us know your experience with these techniques in the comments. There are many products marketed for breast enhancement, but it's crucial to approach these with caution. Some might contain hormones or ingredients that aren't safe. Always consult a healthcare provider before using any supplements or topical creams. Finally, while these methods can help, it's important to embrace and love your body as it is. Confidence comes from within, and there's beauty in every size and shape. What's your best tip for building confidence? Share it below. It could inspire someone else. Remember, enhancing breast size is a personal journey, and it's okay to take your time exploring what works for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on future videos. Let's keep this conversation going in the comments. I'm here to answer your questions and support you along the way.